me again. I just wanted to say thank you so much for 2 subscribers. Thank you so much for the nice comments, and I just really appreciate it. But I'm going to be doing something else, sorry. But, so right now I have a cleaning my caboodle. It's all empty. So, yeah. So, we're going to start with the bottom part. And I think first what we're going to put in there is my James Charles X Morphe mini palette. Ooh, it's so pretty. So I'm just going to put it in here. Just going to be, let me show you. It's going to be right there. I have all this stuff right there. Oh my, this dropped. So, right on top of the James Charles palette is gonna be this Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I got this for my birthday, so Mom, if you're watching this, I still love this palette. It smells so good. It smells like s'mores. And then I have this BH Cosmetics palette. My cousin Valerie got it for me, and I love it, but I've hit pan on almost all of them. So, I'm just going to put that there. And next, I'm going to put in my Yvonne True color powder in the shade Medium. So I'm just going to put that right next to the Too Faced palette, so it's okay like this. Now, so, and yet again, me and my sister are like right next to each other, so it's kind of weird, but, I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna put my setting powder from Yvonne True. It doesn't say what shade it is. Ooh, that's weird. But, sorry. So, this is my Yvonne True setting powder. I don't know what shade it is, but I'm just gonna put it on top of it. I think it's raining, but I don't know. So, beside the Yvonne True palette, I'm gonna put my blush. Y'all seen it. And then my Too Faced highlighter. Okay. So, just to give you a little thing, it's right like that. Okay. I think I know what I'm going to do next with it. I think I'm going to put in my lotion, because whenever I put on makeup, I like to do this. And then I like to have hand sanitizer, because, you know, I just like hand sanitizer a lot. It smells so good. Oh, it's raining pretty hard, but it's okay. And then I have, okay, I know y'all didn't see this in my last video, because I forgot about it, but I did put it on. You know, I still have the eye look. It looks so good. But, this is my Stay Matte setting spray. Just gonna put that right there. Okay. And then next, I will put this in here. These are my Kylie Jenner lipsticks. I think this is her birthday collection. So, okay. So that's all taken care of. And now you have to do the brushes. So, I have my big old fluffy brush. I have my blush brush. I use this for sometimes highlight, sometimes blush or powder. And then I have my other highlighter brush. And then I have my highlighter brush. And then I have my packing, my fluffy flat brush, and my fluffy blending brush, and then my itty bitty little one. And then this one, I don't know what it is used for, maybe the eyebrows, the eyeliner. I use it sometimes. But these are all my brushes, so I'm just going to put them right on top of everything. So now I'm going to let you see what this part looks like. It's a, ew, Kylie Jenner. I think I'm just going to put it like that, so it's nice and pretty and neat. So, it's nice. So, and now I'm going to work on the top row with the mirror, and I'm going to put in my Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade Creamy Beige. And then I'm going to put in my concealer, Stay Matte. What shade is this? I really don't know what shade this is, but it's a really nice concealer. Okay. And I don't know what else to put, but this has so much things right now. But I think I'm just going to put in my Great Lash Studio mascara. And then I'm going to put in... you know what, I'm going to put right, like, next to the foundation stuff. I'm going to put all my chapsticks. So, first I have a Soft Lips Cherry. My mom got it for me, so thank you. And then I have my Sweet Watermelon chapstick. And then I have my Peaches and Cream chapstick. And then I have my Fresh Cherry Carmex. And Carmex is one of my favorite chapsticks. And then my Strawberry. And then my regular Medicated. It looks beat up because I use it every day. Sorry. So I think I'm gonna put in this, my Glam Glow. I'm actually gonna put it before my mascara, and then I'm going to put in all my lipsticks. Okay. So these are all my lipsticks. I have this Kylie Jenner one. Have I ever told y'all all her lipsticks smell like cupcakes? I do not know. I'm just gonna put it on there. And then I have my Revlon Rose Wine lipstick. It's very pretty. And then, I don't know how to say this, y'all, but this is very pretty shade. It's very beige. I love beige shades. Just like my Anastasia Beverly Hills one. In the shade Latte. And then I have my two Elizabeth Arden lipsticks. This one is watermelon and this one is Velveteen. I do not know how to say it. I should have never done that. Okay. And then I have this Tulip Moisture Lip Crown from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good. I wish I could come and smell it. So now I'm going to put in my lip glosses. I have these tiny ones. This one is from Target. I don't know where this one's from, but they're both very nice. And now I'm going to put in my BC. I love tubed lip glosses, and my favorite lip glosses are tubed clear lip glosses. They're very nice. And yeah. Okay, and I'm going to be putting in my Smashbox lip gloss. It's very sparkly. And then next is my Revlon Fatal Apple lip gloss. And then my Revlon The Gloss clear lip gloss. I love clear lip gloss. Oh, and I also forgot this. My Kylie lip gloss, high gloss, in the shade Snatched. This one is this is the one that I use for my makeup look. And then, I don't know if I ever told y'all this, but my favorite lip glosses at the time are Broadway lip oils. But I'm gonna put this in. It's like a lip plumper. So, okay. And these are all of them. This is not sponsored, but I got these off of iKidhouse, and I love these. I really think that y'all should go get them. Wait, I don't know. But my favorite is mango butter. This one smells more out of all of them. It smells like mangoes, and it smells so good. But anyways, this is my coconut oil lip gloss. It hydrates lips, locks in moisture, and shines without stickiness. So that's nice. And then I have my mint oil lip gloss. It's a cooling effect, refreshing tingle, and soothes cracked lips. Very nice. And then we have my rose hip oil. It reduces fine lines on lips and moisturizes and heals, and contains vitamin A. And then we have my argan oil. Pretty blue. It moistures skin, it protects and heals, and contains vitamin E. We love vitamins. And this one is my favorite because mango butter lip gloss. It hydrates dry skin, softens skin, and contains multivitamins. So, oh, and I don't know if y'all saw this. This is a whole, I did it in all of them because in school I like to carry them and I don't like to reach in my backpack and get it. And I put it on my lanyard and I just put it on. So this is what it looks like. And so nice. And now I'm going to work on this cubby. So, what I'm going to put in first is my 24 karat gold facial oil. I have to shake it. And then you can see the gold. Put that in there. And then I'm going to be putting in this eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going to be putting in my baby Vaseline. It's so cute. It smells really nice. And then my EOS, I'm going to put some on. And then I have my beauty blenders. And then I have my brow pencil. Y'all also didn't see that, but I did it. I just forgot. So this is what the finished product looks like. I think it looks awesome. And if you had a caboodle, tell me what you put it in or what you do put it in it. And I hope y'all enjoyed this week's video. So, bye.